The algorithm is not watching your followers, it's watching their fingers. It's not about likes anymore, it's about micro behaviors or small behaviors on Facebook. The algorithm tracks what people do in the first 3 seconds. If they stop, rewatch, or swipe fast, the algorithm notices your content isn't judged by views. It is judged by behavior. Most creators think the algorithm cares about followers or hashtags. It doesn't. It tracks micro behaviors. Did someone stop on your post? Did they expand the caption? Did they replay the video? Did they save your video? Did they swipe in 1 second? Every tiny action sends a signal. The algorithm measures watch time, replays, shares, saves, comments, profiles, visits, or taps, even hesitation before scrolling. If people linger, it means interest. If they interact, it means value. If they rewatch, it means impact. But if they scroll quickly, that's a negative signal. That's why hooks matter. That's why emotional triggers matter. That's why clarity matters. The algorithm doesn't push content because you posted. It posts content because people respond. So instead of asking, how do I excel the algorithm? Ask, how do I make people stop? Because when humans engage deeply, the algorithm follows.